Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can make money with futures trading. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research before investing into crypto. Now the best platform to trade futures is Mexc Global because it has the lowest possible buying and the selling fees, and also if we talk about the futures maker fee, it's like 0% and the taker fee is only 0.01%. Now if you have an account on Mexc Global, it's perfectly fine. If you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can use my referral link in the description where you can get up to $1,000 of bonus. Now if we talk about the futures in Mexc Global, they also have this lot of events that are monthly events over here. So as you can see, they have this weekly futures event, then they have this 100,000 USDT of Super X game, so new futures leaderboard. So you can get some additional rewards from Mexc Global platform while trading in futures. Now once you have the account set up on Mexc Global, all you have to do is first you will need to purchase USDT. Now you can directly buy it on the platform using a debit card, global bank transfer, or maybe P2P trading, or maybe you can transfer USDT from your other wallets or centralized exchange to Mexc Global. Now once you are here on this interface of trading, now for this video purpose I will show you the example of Sol USDT. So once you are here on the interface, all you have to do is, now let's take an example or a scenario where like you are feeling bullish on Solana. So all you have to do is you will need to go to these three lines over here, click on it and search for long position, which is the first one. And all you have to do is you will need to simply click over here. Now you will need to set a target price for take profit and stop loss. So move this pointer up and select this pointer at this down level over here. Now this target price for taking profit should be ideally about 3%, and the stop loss, as you can see, we have like placed a very small limit in order to minimize our losses in the trading. Now once you do that, you can either place a market order and put in the amount of USDT as to how much you want to put it. Now let's say if you want to like trade for 1000 USDT, then this would be equivalent to 10.2 Sol. Or if you want to put a limit order, like let's say if you want to like open the position at this level like 97.366, then you can place 97.366 over here and just put in the amount of USDT. Now there are two types of margins over here. One is called as an isolated margin and one is called as a cross margin. So isolated margin is a margin for that specific trade, whereas cross is a margin for all the trades. So if you are just starting off with trading, I would advise is use isolated margin. So your whole futures account won't be drained. And if you are an experienced trader, then you can go with a cross margin. Now here you can take leverage also up to 200x. So please be careful with taking a lot of leverage. So for this video purpose, we will keep it to 100x over here and click on confirm. Now 100x leverage is selected. Now you just put in the amount of USDT, let's say 1000 USDT. And now over here, click on this, take profit and stop loss. Now here you will need to take this profit at 100, let's take an example like 100,955. So you just put in the amount like 109.5 and stop loss would be over here, so which is like 97.02. Now simply go ahead and open this long position. Now please note that you will need to win only one trade out of 3 trades in order to be profitable. If you lose more than 3 trades, then you will be at a loss. So once again, do your own research. This is how you can make some quick profits on future trading on the Mexc Global platform, since it has the lowest trading fees. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.